passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with the matching color. That's perfect! We're always happy to help. Let's go find that toy! Excellent! Just slice or tap it to open. What type of wagon should we pull? Good job! Awesome! Just drag a wagon to one of the blue spots. Mix them up however you like. Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Good job! Let's get this back on track. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Excellent! That's perfect!